A racing X shooting game. It had some interesting changes. You're gonna listen to a lot of cool music over the course of this tune. Yeah, I wasn't a fan of it as well, but it's interesting. I do agree on that one. So let's see what this is about. User conflict. I have no idea what this game wants me to do exactly, but oh, those are mine. We're learning. Okay. I mean, we're already higher than the high score, which is sad because this shows you that someone played this game exactly the way we played it just now. Was like, yeah, okay, this is cool, goodbye. And new run, this doesn't count. Titus was not the best developer back in the day for the Amiga, it seems. I don't know. Oh, we missed out the fuel. Oh, we drove into rocks. Oh, these helicopters are gatekeeping so hard. Oh, not looking good right now. Ah, our fuel is out. New run, doesn't count. As if someone was to always input their name after those runs, come on. Only the good ones are gonna get a name. So back to Italy, I felt like that's a better choice. Never mind. Oh, we drifted all of a sudden? Oh, next war. Invasion level. Okay. Oh, come on. We hit those mines with all our force. Was it necessary? Never. There we go. We need that fuel. If you can get that fuel, you're better off. You die, you lose fuel. So it's a balancing act between going fast and making good decisions. And I'm not making good decisions here, as you can tell. Our run is over, but we take this one. 834,920. Not a game to be checked out again. It was a very quick run. But 836,920 it says. Okay, 836. 920. Thank you, Fire and Forget. I will do the latter one and forget about you.